Hello friends, welcome to new class. Today we will learn lesson 6. In this lesson we will learn particle O, particle they, after place. In lesson 5 we learn particle they after vehicle when we use as transportation. Noun O, Simas, Nan and Nani. You know we already learned Nan in lesson 2. Meaning is what? In this lesson also we again learn. Okay. Masenka, Maso. Okay. So these are the things we will cover in this lesson. Before we enter to the grammar portion, please read the vocabulary so it will be easy for you to understand the lesson. Okay. Tabemas, nomimas, suimas, mimas, kikimas, yomimas, kakimas, kaimas, torimas, simas, aimas, gohan. Meaning is given over here. Please go with this. Next, Asa gohan, Hiru gohan, Ban gohan, Pan, Tamago, Sakana, Nikku, Yasai, Kudamono, Mizu, Ocha, Kocha, Gyunyu, Miriku. Okay. Next, juice, biru, osake. Sake is the word. It puts O to make it polite, as like okane. Okay. Video, eiga, tegami, reporto, sasin, mise, restaurant, niwa, sukudai, tenishu. Sakka, ohanami, nani, issoni, chotto, itsumo, tokidoki, sorekara, ii desu ne, wakarimashita. Ja mata asita. When we say ja mata, it means see you. When we say jamata asita, it means see you tomorrow. Okay. We learn nan, meaning is what, in lesson 2. In this lesson also we learn nani, meaning is also what. Let's see what is the difference. Now we enter to the grammar. Particle O, any particle, it comes before the transitive verb. Particle O is used to the direct object of the transitive verb. Okay. So when there is a direct object comes before the transitive verb, then that object takes O particle. Please look at the sentence. Kohio nomimas, pano tabemas, sinbumo yomimas, yasayo kaimas, rajio kikimas, tegamio kakimas. Okay. Here nomimas, tabemas, yomimas, kaimas, kikimas, kakimas, all are transitive verb. There are two types of verb. One is transitive verb, another is intransitive verb. We will learn about this in our advanced class. Okay. Here kohi, pan, sinbum, yasai, rajio and tegami all are object. So they take O particle. Is that clear? Kohio nomimas, I drink coffee. Pan o tabemas, I eat bread. Sinbum o yomimas, I read newspaper. Yasayo kaimas, I buy vegetable. Rajio kikimas, I listen radio. Tegamio kakimas, I write letter. Okay. Yes, my friends, we already learned this is O, hiragana O. This pronunciation also O, and now we learn this is particle O. Okay, both pronunciation are same. This O using only in vocabulary, but this O is using in grammar, not in vocabulary. This never comes in any vocabulary. It is only in the grammar. And please pause my video and make 2 or 3 sentences by yourself. Before we start the grammar, we already learned so many vocabulary. Use those words and make sentence. Okay? Good. Do it now. Noun O simas. Okay? Simas means that the action denoted by the noun is performed. Okay? It means you do some action or do some work. Please look at the sentence. Saka o simas. Sukudai o simas. Pati o simas. Kaigi o shimasu. Shigoto o shimasu. Okay. When we say sakka o shimasu, it means we play soccer. Sukudai o shimasu, we do homework. Party o shimasu, give a party. Kaigi o shimasu, hold a meeting. Shigoto o shimasu, do work. Okay. So, when we say shimasu, it means you do some work. Okay. In lesson 2, we learn nan, which meaning is what, and in this lesson we are going to learn nani, meaning also same what, but the difference is where we need to use nan and where we need to use nani. Nan is used in following cases, like when it precedes a word whose first mora is either in ta, da or naru, like sorewa nan desu ka, nan no hon desu ka, taberu mae ni nan to iimasu ka. When it follows a counter suffix or like this, it also used nan, like nansai desu ka, this way. Nani is used in all other cases. In short form, if I say nani is used when you ask what are you doing in verb sentence, and nan is used in noun sentence. Please remain, nan is used in noun type of sentence, means what is this, what is that way. But nani is used in verb sentence, like nani o tabemasu ka, nani o nomimasu ka, nani o kaimasu ka, nani o shimasu ka, nani o kikimasu ka, like this. Got it? Now we will learn nani o shimasu ka. Okay? This is a question to ask what someone does. Okay? In past or non-past. Look at the sentence. Nichiyobi nani o shimasu ka? Tomodachi no uchie ikimasu. What you will do in Sunday? I will go to my friend's house. Ototoi nani o shimashita ka? Ototoi, day before yesterday. What you did in day before yesterday? Tennis o shimashita. I played tennis. Ima nani o shimasu ka? What you will do now? Sukudai o shimasu. I will do homework. One thing I will let you know, when you say sukudai, always go to shimasu verb, never use kakimasu verb. Sukudai o kakimasu we never say, it is wrong. Verb. Sukudai always take shimasu verb. Okay? Tegami o kakimasu. Report o kakimasu. But sukudai o shimasu. So you get it that when we put question what someone is doing or did, about the action, about the verb sentence, we take nani. Okay, got it? Now you understand what is the difference between nan and nani. Is that clear? Nan, korewa nan desu ka, sorewa nan desu ka, arewa nan desu ka, nan no hon desu ka, nanji desu ka, ima nanji desu ka, nanji ni ikimasu ka, Taro-kun wa nansai desu ka. Okay. In those cases, we use nan. But when it comes to the verb cases, nani o shimasu ka, nani o tabemasu ka, nani o nomimasu ka, nani o kaimasu ka, this way. Is that clear? Please pause my video and make 2 questions with nan and 2 questions with nani. Please pause my video and do it now. Noun, place, they. We learned they particle in lesson 5 after the vehicle. It means a vehicle takes they particle when we use it as transportation to go someplace, come to some place and return to some place. Is that clear? Here we place take they particle where an action occurs. It means in a place where you do something, that place take they particle. Suppose we watch TV at home, we read book at library, we purchased something at supermarket or any shop. In that cases, those shop, library, house take they particle. Okay, is that clear? Look at the sentence. Eki de shinbu mo kaimasu. Tosokan de hono yomimasu. Uchi de terebi o mimasu. Kaisa de hirugoha no tabemasu. Shinbu mo kaimasu. Buy newspaper. Hono yomimasu. Read the book. Terebi o mimasu. Watch TV. Hirugoha no tabemasu. Eat lunch. Places where this action takes place, they particle comes after those places. Eki, de, tosokan, de, uchi, de, kaisa, de. Is that clear? Understood? Where to use they particle? In a place where you do some action, that place take they particle. Is that clear? Please pause my video and write 2 sentences with they particle. Okay? Do it now. Done? Thank you. In this lesson, we learn 2 words, masenka and maso. When one wants to invite someone to do something, this expression used. Suppose you invite someone to do with you something, then you use masenka for. Suppose you invite someone, can you come with me to eat something? Can you go with me to watch movie? Like this way. Okay? Issoni tabemasen ka? Issoni bijichuka ne ikimasen ka? Here you inviting someone to eat along with you. Okay? But here you are inviting someone to go with you to Bijuchukan. Bijuchukan means art museum. Okay? So you need to use to masenka. When you inviting someone, that person may be decline or maybe accept. Okay, accept A. I desu ne or I desu yo, ikimasu, tabemasu, like this, or sumimasen, chotto, when you decline. Okay, we learn these are the things in later on. Comes to maso. Maso, this expression used when a speaker is positively inviting the listener to do something with the speaker. It is also used to respond positively to an invitation. Okay, look at the sentence. Chotto yasumimasu. Let's have a break. Issuni bijujuka ne ikemasen ka? Won't you go with me to art museum? Ikimasu. Okay, yes, let's go. But here it is direct invitation to do something. Here it is answer to a invitation. Okay, in both purpose we can use maso, but masenka only use in invitation where we can decline also. When you decline, we say sumimasen chotto. It means you are not ready to accept the invitation. Read it. Watashi wa pain o tabemasu. Watashi wa kudamono o tabemasu. Watashi wa gohan o tabemasu. Anata wa nani o tabemasu ka? Instead of anata, we can use person's name. Mira-san wa nani o tabemasu ka? Tanaka-san wa nani o tabemasu ka? Because they don't use anata as frequently as like we use in English, you. Watashi wa nani o kaimasen. Mo particle. We already learned mo particle in negative form. Here, watashi wa nani mo kaimasen. Watashi wa nani mo tabemasen. Watashi wa nani mo shimasen deshita. 3番 Watashi wa sofa de boshi o kaimashita. Watashi wa kono mise de boshi o kaimashita. Watashi wa deri de boshi o kaimashita. Anata wa doko de boshi o kaimashita ka? Doko. De particle. Okay. Next, this is for you. Please pause my video and do this. There are some words given over here. Mizu, CD, hon, terebi, tepu, gohan, ocha, sinbum, sakana, eika. One example sentence I have written. Terebio mimas. Look at these children are watching the TV. So terebio mimas. So as per the picture, you make two sentences. Please do. Pause my video and do it. Then check with my answer whether it is correct or not. Done. Eiga o mimas. Eiga means movie. So it takes mimas verb. Here this person is reading. So here book hon and sinbum we can use in reading. So hono yomimasu, sinbumo yomimasu. Yomimasu verb is for reading. Next, this person is eating something. Eat. The verb is tabemasu. So those are the things we can eat, like gohan we can eat and also sakana. Gohan o tabemasu, sakana o tabemasu. Okay. Here person is drinking. We can drink so many things, no? Mizu o nomimasu, ocha o nomimasu, kohi o nomimasu, juice o nomimasu. Okay. Biru o nomimasu. No? Like that. Here we have mizu o nomimasu, ocha o nomimasu. Okay. Next come. Here is somebody is listening. So here listening is CD, we listen, and tepu. So CD o kikimasu, tepu o kikimasu. Okay, understood? Come to the next. This is for you. Write mas and masen sentence using two of the nouns from each group and verb of your choice. Okay. Here I have given watashi wa sakana o tabemasu, watashi wa niku o tabemasen. I eat fish but I don't eat meat. Please do it. Pause my video and do it now. Watashi wa shinbu mo yomimasu. Watashi wa zashi o yomimasen. In below, watashi wa kohi o nomimasu. Watashi wa osake o nomimasen. Here is the chart. Mas, masen, masita, masen desita, maso, masenka. We already learned how to make. Here, verb mas form masenka. Here also same verb mas form maso. So here I have given some words written and rest of the things you fill it. Tabemas, tabemasen, tabemasita, tabemasen desita, tabemaso, tabemasenka. Put appropriate particle and do it. Kochira wa INC no Mike Mira-san desu. No. Because N1 no N2 related to this. Karina-san wa gakusei desu. Taopon-san mo gakusei desu. Because statement of the both sentence are same. So after topic of the sentence, more particle will come. Kore wa computer no zashi desu. N1 no N2. Nan no zashi desu ka? Computer no zashi desu. Next. Sore wa watashi no hon desu. My book. N1 no N2. It is explaining ownership. Okay. Ano kasa wa wato-san no desu. Kono sono ano modifying noun. So it takes noun then wa particle. Topic of the sentence. This one. Wato-san no desu. It is belongs to what. So no particle. Kore wa nihon no camera desu. N1 no N2. You know, any product related to company or country that takes no particle. Nihon no camera desu. Doko no camera desu ka? Nihon no camera desu. Okay. As you know, kore takes wa particle. It is a demonstrative noun. So it can take direct wa particle. So here is particle wa. Jimusu wa doko desu ka? Kono nekutai o kudasai. We all hope you understand it. Next, pause my video, do by yourself, then check with my answer. Ginko wa 10時から3時までです。昨日の晩10時に寝ました。Specific time, so 2 particle. 私は昼12時から1時まで休みました。Santosa-na burajiru kara kimashita no. Next, kino takushi de uchi e kairimashita. Takushi de uchi e. Watashi wa 8 gatsu ni tomodachi to Hokkaido e ikimasu. Hokkaido, place where we go, so destination, it takes a particle. Tomodachi, with someone, so takes to particle. Hachigatsu, particular specific month, it is take ni particle. Next, supa dash pan dash gyunyu dash kaimashita. Kaimashita, transitive verb. Gyunyu, direct object, so o particle will comes over here. Gyunyu o kaimashita. Here gyunyu and pan, you know, to particle using in the connective of the two nouns, which meaning will be and. Okay, so pan to gyunyu, it will take to particle. Next come place, where you buy. If you do some action in a place, that place take de particle. So you purchased at supermarket, so it takes de particle. Is that clear? So supade panto gyunyu kaimashita. If you do this way, it will be easy. Next, kesa nanimo tabemasen deshita. It is a negative answer, so more particle will take. Put the interrogative words in appropriate place. Watch my video and do it. Once you finished your answer, check with my answer. Anohito wa dare desu ka? Mira-san desu. Here it is given Mira-san. It is a person's name, san is there, so dare desu ka? First you look at the answer, it will be easy to fill. Meisi desu. Meisi means visiting card, so it is a noun for noun part. Sore wa nan desu ka? Hassai desu. I mean age of a person. So for age, which WH question we learn? Nansai, yes. Another is oikuchi. Oikuchi is polite form of nansai. So here it is hassai. So Taro-kun, it is a small boy name. It is a boy's name. So nansai desu ka? Okay. Taro-kun wa nansai desu ka? Hassai desu. Okay. Next comes to doitsugo no tepu desu. So which word will come? Sore wa nan no tepu desu ka? Denwa wa doko desu ka? Answer is Karina-san no desu. So ano kaban wa dash desu ka? So dare no desu ka? Whose bag? Karina-san, it is a person's name. Karina-san no desu. So question will come dare no. Okay. Next, Asoko desu. It is plain straight cut answer. It is there, over there. So doko desu ka? Denwa wa doko desu ka? Asoko desu. Answer is sochira desu. The question will be dochira desu ka? Next, answer is indo desu. So okuni wa dochira desu ka? Indo desu. Got it? Hope you understand it. Okay. In for you, please do it by yourself. Yes, in this lesson it is so many things. Please don't read this lesson at a time. Take a break and you complete this lesson. Okay. Pause this video and do it. After that you check with my answer. Look at the answer. Furansu no desu. So doko no wa in desu ka? It is Furansu, place. Sore wa doko no wa in desu ka? Furansu no wa in desu. 3,000 yen desu. So ikura. Because it is currency. How much? Kono kamera wa ikura desu ka? Okay. Next. This is, I think, a telephone number. So nan ban. Tosoka no denwa bango wa nan ban desu ka? Desu. Okay. Now it is kuji desu. So nanji. Ima nanji desu ka? Kuji desu. Answer is shichiji ni kaerimasu. So kyo nanji ni uchie kaerimasu ka? Nanji. Fuji kara goji made desu. From 9 to 5. So kaisa wa nanji kara nanji made desu ka? It is a time from and till. Starting point and ending point both are there. So nanji kara made. So nanji nanji. Good. Next, gechiyobi desu. For yobi, question will be nanyobi. So kyo wa nanyobi desu ka? Okay. Hope you understand the grammars, particles, WH questions and sentence format you will learn from lesson 1 to till now. Now it is kanji time. The meaning of the kanji: 1. Kunyomi hitotsu, onyomi ichi. Hitotsu, one thing. Hitori, one person. The meaning of the kanji: 2. Kunyomi futatsu, onyomi ni. Nigatsu, February, Ninnen, 2 years. Next, the meaning of the kanji is 3. Kunyomi mitsu, onyomi san. Mikka, 3rd day of the month. San means 3 people. Meaning of the kanji is for kunyomi yon, yo, yochu, onyomi, si. Sigachu, April, yonin, for person. Okay. As you know, there is a separate video for kanji. Please go with that, so you can get more vocabulary and also writing pattern. Today's class is this much. Hope this class help you to enhance your Japanese language skill. If you want to develop your skills, then first you complete your vocabulary and meaning of those, so you can understand nicely. Okay. Then go through the grammar portion, how the sentence is format, how you make a sentence. And making a sentence is most necessary in writing and also in spoken. Okay. Then you learn each lesson kanji little, so help you to enhance your vocabulary. Let's meet in next class with a new lesson. Till that time, be safe, be healthy, eat good food and have a good sleep. Drink lot of water. Sayonara. Goodbye.